At the end of the last crop season, 270,000 boxes of coffee were produced. The Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA, the Ministry of Agriculture and a number of stakeholders plan to help 5,000 coffee farmers and 102,000 coffee families in increasing production while repositioning Jamaica's coffee industry. Marlon Samuels files this report.
In 2019, Jamaica's coffee farmers were faced with the bitter taste of the collapse of the price of a box of coffee. The commodity slumped to less than $4,000 on the world market. But fast forward to 2022, there is a reversal. According to the chairman of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, Jamaica's coffee industry is on the rebound.
I say that because currently we're paying $8,500 a box to the coffee farmers. And recall that about 3 years ago, the coffee price for Jamaica Blue Mountain per box slumped to an all-time low of about $3,500. And at that time, there was an exodus of farmers out of the Blue Mountain industry. I've always maintained, both in my position as chairman, president of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association and CEO and managing director of the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, to encourage the farmers to stay in the coffee industry, because there's going to be a time when the price will move again.
A 5-year plan to promote responsible business practices and production standards has been devised, and it will require the government to invest $1 billion over the next 5 years. It is projected that production of coffee could move from 270,000 to 450,000 boxes.
Over the last 2 years, we have gotten 80 million, and therefore the incremental amount is somewhere in the region of about 160 to 150 million per annum. And our proposal is to really say to the government, through the Ministry of Agriculture, include the coffee sector as a part of the productive incentive program. So like domestic crop, coffee is extremely important because it generates foreign exchange, it creates employment for people, and therefore we want to move the whole issue of production and productivity to another level.
The proposed development strategies are seen as a game changer for Jamaica's vibrant coffee industry.
What that will do, it will increase the per annum income generated through export alone, from 17 million US to 25 million US. That is a big move that can benefit our 5,000 farmers and our 102,000 farm families. But more so, this is a game changer. If we're able to invest this $1 billion over 4 years, which is an increment of 200 million per annum, we could see within 10 years where the Jamaican Blue Mountain and non-Blue Mountain industry could be generating $100 million US. That is game changing.
The resources are creating real opportunities for local coffee farmers and their families, while promoting the fact that Jamaican coffee is the coffee of choice around the world. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.